I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win every time in Uno Flip. First, understand the core mechanic. The game has two sides, light and dark. You always start on the light side, which is similar to classic Uno. However, playing a flip card completely changes the game, turning all cards, including your hand and the draw pile, to the other side. Your main objective remains to be the first player to get rid of all your cards. On the light side, focus on efficiently reducing your hand. Play your number cards to get rid of them quickly. Utilize draw one cards to force the next player to pick up one card and skip their turn, disrupting their flow. Always pay attention to how many cards your opponents have. This helps you decide when to hold onto or play certain cards. Crucially, save your flip cards for when they can truly benefit you. The dark side introduces more aggressive action cards. Don't hesitate to use draw 5 cards to make an opponent pick up 5 cards, or skip everyone to take an extra turn. Wild draw color is potent. Use it to target players holding many cards of a specific color. If the dark side is working against you, strategically play a flip card to return to the light side. Remember to discard high-point cards like wild draw color early if you're not close to winning. For advanced play, constantly monitor your opponent's hand sizes on both the light and dark sides. Use reverse and skip cards to control the game's flow, slowing it down if you're behind or speeding it up when you're in the lead. Always remember to loudly declare Uno when you play your second-to-last card to avoid drawing 2 penalty cards. Finally, try to end the game with a powerful action card, like a draw 5, to maximize points against your opponents.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.